This one's called Blue Bonnet. Was it a brand of butter back in the day? Or? Just realized that. To begin at the end of the dawn as the day is darkly rising. In my third echo, echoing on, I'm thinking to beat the rush. In my windshield seat, my ecstasy reflected. Bright autumn's golden tones flowing lazy. My memory hazy. Hey, didn't I marry time? Say, didn't we? We didn't even need a dime. The kindness of my brethren outweighs me. Meanwhile, my enemy tries to trace me, but I won't let that or nothing faze me. By the pale afternoon, by an ale in the saloon nearby the roadside, another hunger to feed. If we're agreed, I say we blow some smoke. My God is just great, is my trust upon it. The rock where Moses stood, we are on it, wearing a blue bonnet. I used to come home to you with all my love I gathered on the road. I'm not sure what I'll do. I was a prince, you turned into a toad. Baby, change me back. Baby, scratch my lack. Baby, make me. And in the morning too, maybe wake me. Maybe later on, forsake me. I was born with this thing in my hand, to no one I would show. From there to here, there ain't no way to know. And yet you'd have me change. You would rearrange me. Oh, for the love of God, you must be crazy. This thing says I must be lazy. I got the freaking capo on it, still tuned super low. So low.